Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 15th, 2021. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. Yeah, we have this trio. We have here made for you. First one binary, second one medium, and the last one a killer Sudoku. Well, the second one I will do is a medium. This will be number 3396. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in additional, this will be a 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. I see a 2 in the first column, a 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then I can, well, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And now I cannot continue with 2. Let me see for another digit. How about the 7 in this column, the 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 7, same like with the 2. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Well, cannot continue with 1. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Now, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7. And the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. And we have a pair. 4 and a 9 in this column. 4 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 and the 9 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 4. Alright. So 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. Okay. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Then. How about? Yeah. How about the number? The number 4. Okay, 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So no row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here, 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright, 6. Then let me see. Then 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright. The 9 is missing. 9, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 6. Alright. How about the 3? 3. Interesting. 316. Okay. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. The 3 and a 9, we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. Alright. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column in between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this third row. 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. 2 in the last column. 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. And I've early marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be 2. Alright. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 2. Alright. 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 How about 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 5. 6. Okay. And now 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Yeah, 2 numbers left. In the first column, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, and look, we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 is missing. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and the 6 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 is missing. 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We see here 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Yes. Definitely faster than 50 minutes. I've told you it's a 1 star and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the third regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.